Bullish Moonriver cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $30.52 and $66.46 by 2030. Market investigators accept MOVR could reach $30.52 by 2025. Bearish Moonriver market cost expectation for 2022 is $5.43. Moonriver presentation. The Moonbeam parachain utilizes the MOVR system as a testing channel. The undertaking's goal is to give Moonbeam developers a steady air so they might begin testing and investigating their dApps. A parachain planned explicitly for the Polkadot framework is Moonriver. How about we examine the way this functions? It's specialized in key examination and the Moonriver cost estimate. What is Moonriver? The Moonbeam idea was divulged in June 2021, and after this, Moonriver was laid out. A changed Layer 1 chain called Moonbeam imitates the logs, memberships, keys, accounts, Web3 RPC, and other fundamental components of Ethereum. The framework grants software engineers to assess their developments in a veritable, functional computerized market. Prior to delivering their works to Moonbeam, designers can survey how well their application's capability under true circumstances and make important changes. Moonbeam is prominently Polkadot's most strong savvy contract, likewise viable with Ethereum. Benefits of Moonriver as a MOVR designer. You partake in a few advantages of utilizing this organization, for example, easy access. Since Moonriver is continuously being tried, clients can get to the best and most recent exploratory forms. You can get to projects that can possibly upset the market and speed up the reception of digital currencies since these frameworks are open to the overall population. At the point when the conventions are officially settled, gain a more profound handle of these innovations and apply that information to upgrade your return for capital invested results. Programmers' devices. Various engineer devices and help are one more significant benefit that Moonriver offers. The organization gives developers admittance to administrations like the diagram and Chainlink to further develop the dApp structure. Its base attributes additionally incorporate administrations of organization coordination for ERC20 and DAB tokens. Since its presentation, the Moonriver idea has proactively experienced huge acknowledgement. The capacity to give clients admittance to the Ethereum DeFi environment without paying costly expenses or managing weighty traffic is an additional advantage for designers. The organization, for example, permits clients to utilize various popular Ethereum-based instruments, including Truffle, Waffle, Hardhat, Remix, and MetaMask. Other elements. Moonriver and Moonbeam amazingly increment the usefulness of the Ethereum stage. These organizations include new parts, including marking, cross-chain mixes, and on-chain administration. Along these lines, numerous Ethereum developers have found a more complex yet conspicuous organization to advance their applications. Moonriver is an organization that the local area works itself. Clients can make ideas for working on any region of the organization. Clients can pick board delegates, recommend component or cost changes, and pick how the local area depository ought to be utilized. One of the critical qualities of future DeFi networks is local area administration. These projects help in safeguarding nearby networks. Also, they ensure that those with the main stakes are heard. Clients cast their votes involving MOVR tokens in the Moonriver Nearby Administration Framework. Your vote has more power the more MVOR tokens you stake. Moreover, this strategy supports keeping up with the rising worth of MOVR. MOVR token. On the Ethereum organization, MOVR is a coin that is ERC20 consistent. In the environment, these tokens are fundamental. Utilizing these advanced monetary forms, clients should likewise pay exchange charges. MOVR is open on most decentralized trades that help Ethereum. Moonriver ebb and flow cost. Moonriver is at present worth $6.78 USD. MOVR has moved 4.43% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,910,685. Moonriver is right now positioned 377 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $39,427,704 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Moonriver to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Moonriver Value Expectation 2022. Moonriver, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The MOVR cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $10.17. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $9.49 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. MOVR is supposed to have a base worth of $8.14. Moonriver Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Moonriver MOVR cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of MOVR will before long outperform $16.95. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the MOVR's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, MOVR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $13.56 and a typical exchanging cost of $14.92. Moonriver Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $23.74 and MOVR might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. MOVR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $21.70 and a low of $20.35 in 2024. Moonriver Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Moonriver effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the MOVR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, MOVR will be green in 2025. The MOVR is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $30.52, with a base cost of $27.13 and a typical cost of $28.48. Moonriver Value Forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the MOVR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $35.27 by 2026, with a base cost of $33.91 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, MOVR has a greatest value worth of $37.30. Moonriver Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $42.05. On the off chance that MOVR figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $44.08. Neglecting to assemble the help MOVR needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $40.69. Moonriver Value Expectation 2028. While MOVR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $47.47 and a yearly cost close above $50.86 in 2028. Moonriver Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Moonriver will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $54.25 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $57.65, averaging out at $55.61. Moonriver Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation and you should DYOR. In 2030,